Hi everyone. It's really, really nice to see all you guys there, all you kids out there behind. Hi everyone. It's nice that you guys came to see our trailer. I hope you really liked it. I'm sure that you guys are crazy about everything that Tiger does. Aren't you guys? Exactly. Exactly. And nobody can do what he does.
Except for Shraddha Kapoor.
I tried a few kicks here and there. I tried to do that, but it's really, really, really awesome to be included in the Hero Panti team now. The energy that was there in that film and Sabir sir and Tiger's combination, of course. So thank you so much for including me in this film. This experience has been really, really nice. बहुत ही memorable experience रहा है. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. To do scenes with Tiger. Tiger इतने inspiring है, just the way that he is, and of course Sabir sir की जो positivity रही है on sets, it's totally unmatchable. And to come back again with UTV, and it's my first film with Sajid sir. So here's hoping that there are many, many, many more. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Got to do a lot of new things in this film, learn new things, as I said, and hope you all enjoy the movie as well. Thank you.
टाइगर श्रद्धा, आप दोनों में सबसे ज़्यादा रेबल कौन है और सबसे ज़्यादा किस बात के लिए आप बागी बन सकते हैं असल ज़िंदगी में?
I think Tiger is definitely a बहुत ही बड़े rebel है Tiger, क्योंकि in a very good and positive way, जिस तरह से ये focused रहते हैं, जो ये करते हैं, I mean आप सबने ट्रेलर में देखा है कि किस तरह के rebel है ये, तो definitely Tiger is an amazing rebel, I would say.
Hello.
Hi, I am from the Bus Diary. My question is to both you guys, Tiger and Shraddha. Has the realization struck yet that there's so much adulation, the way these guys were screaming when the trailer was on? Has it struck yet? You guys are stars, big stars.
Yeah, I think, when the first time when we watched it, I was lost in the trailer. But then the second time when it played again, I started listening to the reactions, and that was really, gave me goosebumps. And it was really flattering, and it feels good when all your hard work gets applauded, and gets that adulation. So it's all worth it at the end. Yeah. Thank you so much, by the way, for loving our trailer. Thank you.
Hi, Shraddha.
Hi, Tiger.
Just
here.
to add to that, if I may, the first time that we both actually saw the trailer, we were really excited. हम बहुत charged up हो गए. हम almost हमारे seat से हम गिर गए और साबिर सर वहीं पे थे और हमें the energy जो energy है trailer में, it just got into us somehow. और Sabir sir is the reason why this trailer is so amazing, because day and night he has been into it.
I think it's the entire team is behind it, and hats off to everyone on it. Yeah.
But yeah, definitely बहुत अच्छा लगता है when all you guys over there are cheering and shouting and enjoying the trailer. It encourages you, so अच्छा लगता है and you feel good about it.
श्रद्धा, ये सवाल आपसे मैं पूछना ही चाह रहा था कि मतलब आप अपने आप को लकी मानती हैं कि जितनी भी फिल्में कर रही हैं लगातार हिट दी जा रही हैं, तो ये तो गारंटेड है कि पीछे वाले नोइस साहब को पता चल गया होगा कि ये भी सुपर डुपर हिट है?
Fingers crossed, I hope so. I think सबकी उम्मीद सबका विश यही होता है कि जो भी फिल्म वो करे वो हिट बन जाए और ऑडियंस जाके देखे. तो I definitely hope कि this one also lots of people go and watch it और सबको मजा आए after watching it. That's all I hope for.
Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Shraddha, hi.
Hello.
Shraddha, we saw you learning, all the moves for ABCD2. You dance so well. And now we
Thank
see
you.
you're breaking your bones. Breaking bones
My
literally.
bones?
Not
I'm
your
breaking
bones.
my bones?
Yeah.
You mean other people's?
Other people. How was it? How has the journey been? I mean, doing, all this, taking all the...
All trying to do what Tiger can do.
Yeah.
Basically. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया, कुछ अलग करने को मिला. साबिर सर ने कहा कि इस फिल्म में you have to do some action, and that's the part of the character. And of course, when you have Tiger with you, then you get all the tips. वो tips मिल जाते हैं और वो encouragement मिल जाती है. बहुत मज़ा आया, और उम्मीद है कि people like the effort that I've put in.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
श्रद्धा, आप इसमें एक्शन करते हुए काफ़ी अच्छी दिख रही हैं. तो
Thank
पहले
you.
कौन सी एक्शन मूवी आपने देखी थी कि आप में चाहत जगी थी कि एक्शन फिल्म करनी है और मुझे भी हीरो के बराबर असिस्टेंट करने हैं?
एक्चुअली जब मैंने टाइगर को देखा, जब वो अपना डेब्यू कर रहे थे, फर्स्ट टाइम हम सब ने देखा कि देयर इज एन एक्टर हु इज डूइंग फ्लिप्स कर रहे हैं हवे में, डबल एक किक, ये मुझे वर्ड्स भी नहीं पता, पर बेसिकली जब बागी ऑफर हुई थी मुझे, तो मैं अंदर से मतलब विश करी थी कि आई होप कि मुझे भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले टू डू सम एक्शन. सो बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स टाइगर के साथ आई विल बी शेयरिंग स्क्रीन स्पेस, सो आई थॉट कि अच्छा होगा अगर मुझे भी मौका मिला, तो वो हो गया. सो दैट्स
आप
Good. साबिर
क्या
sir,
खास
here,
प्रिपरेशन की? आप
Wasim.
बता रही थी कुछ प्रिपरेशन
आपसे
के
सवाल
बारे में.
मेरा ये है कि एक्शन फिल्म है ये. ओह आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज गो अहेड.
आप कुछ प्रिपरेशन के बारे में बता रही थी, आपको कुछ खास, बहुत कुछ नया सीखा आपने, तो क्या क्या नया सीखा?
जी, हम बैंकॉक में थे और वहाँ के बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्शन डायरेक्टर केचा सर राइट, केचा सर ने हमें ट्रेन किया, मुझे ट्रेन किया, और पहली बार किक्स ट्राई कर रही थी, पंचेस ट्राई कर रही थी. बॉडी में जो मसल्स है जिनका जो एग्जिस्ट होते हैं वो भी पता नहीं चला कि अरे ये भी मसल है वहाँ पे जो दर्द होता था. तो डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ वेरी न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. और जो उनकी टीम थी, केचा सर की टीम, दे वर सुपर्ब, अमेजिंग. तो दैट एक्सपीरियंस वाज रियली नाइस. Attending? Oh, thank you so much. Well, it's a first time for me, पहली बार. तो हमने एक क्राबी में शूट किया था. बहुत मज़ा आया. It was a really beautiful sequence, and yeah, I hope that people like what they saw. आपने भी compliment pay किया. Thank you so much for it, and I hope everybody else also thinks that.
This kind of action actually reminds us of the superhero flick that's coming out at the end of this month, Batman vs Superman. Who are you rooting for, Batman or Superman, and why?
I'm rooting for Tiger.
Congratulations to the both of you and the team for the trailer.
Thank you.
Really nice. But the cricket season is on. Who are you guys cheering for this time? Which, I mean, obviously India and Pakistan's match is the most awaited one. Which one are you guys waiting to watch?
Indian team, obviously.
श्रद्धा, एक गीत आपने भी गाया है इस फिल्म का अरमान मलिक के साथ,
शायद.
तो आप वो थोड़ा हम करना चाहेंगे हमारे लिए?
अभी नहीं.
फिर कब?
थोड़ा इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में हम आपको दिखाते हैं ना, एक के बाद एक.
और ये थीम क्या थी, अगर कोई बताना चाहे, साहिद भाई आप या साबिर, की ये सभी लोग चश्मे में हैं, मतलब अंधेरे में भी, तो ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली? डॉक्टर डैंग टाइप्स लाइक एवरीबॉडीज, तो ये एग्जैक्टली क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं आप, जरा बताएं हमें.
ये बागी के थीम में आया है यार.
पीछे तो ऐसा बागी दिख नहीं रहा हमें.
This is a personal security of some people who are here, not here on the dais, but somewhere else. Okay.
Shraddha, Abhishek here, right? Extreme right. Here.
Hi.
Okay.
Enthu Cutlet.
Yeah, man, what's up? Can we say that the Lara Croft for India has arrived?
I don't know. Like, you guys will have to see it and decide that.
And Tiger Sabir said a while back that you're also good in romancing. So how was it romancing your childhood friend?
It was very easy because I was very comfortable from day one around Shraddha. बचपन से हम दोस्त हैं. I think we've been in the same school. I've been a fan of Shraddha since her very first film.
I've been a fan of his since ये school में थे और he used to play basketball with so much passion. मुझे याद है कि टाइगर अपने बास्केटबॉल जर्सी में हमेशा रहते थे. Fully energetic and always like focused, and of course now you can also see that he's focused in what he's doing now. It's great. बहुत मजा आया.
Can I finish?
Sorry.
This is my question. So anyways, I was just very comfortable from day one. I remember the workshops when she used to come and Sabir sir used to take our readings. It was just, we used to have such a fun time just reading. And I think the romance in our film is quite strong. It's quite a strong element in our film. And she never once, felt uncomfortable or made me feel uncomfortable at all. And we were just always having fun and laughing. And just every time Sabir sir would say action, we would be in the zone. And every time he would say cut, then we'd just be having fun dancing or something like that. So yeah, it was fun working with her overall.
We were actually like, can you believe it? We're doing a movie together now. Because when you go to school with someone, and then you grow up, and then, of course, both of us, when you have a dream to act, and then you end up acting with someone you've gone to school with. So it's really surreal. So, pehle din se last din tak, we would be like, in between shots, we would be like, Tiger, can you believe it? Hum ek picture kar rahe saath mein. He'd be like, Shraddha, I can't believe it. And so we were very excited to be working together.